Can you hear it?
I got perfectly still here.
Yeah.
You can't really see it, but
You can't see it, but there's like 4 power flashes, just boom, 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 like those transformers, you know, blowing.
it's on the line.
Somebody on the phone. How
No,
far?
I don't hear.
I'd be surprised if there's. Yeah,
There
did you
it
see
is.
it? You see
No.
that? You
Just
look
watch-
at that other one.
Just
Yeah,
watch
You
like
can see which way it's moving. You can almost see it moving. Hey, turn that light off right there in your room.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, did you see that?
Yeah.
You said you're out of power. I can't make it out, but I can see it. If that makes any sense. I can tell where it's at. It's probably
In Ovilla.
It's probably
In Midlothian.
yeah. It's gonna be real close to you if it don't hit the house.
Well, I lost power because I'm on. Can't. But it's perfectly still here. Safari cannot open page because the iPad is connected to the internet.
There's electricity over there.
I can
Right.
hear,
Huh?
I can hear rain again now. The dogs are barking. They must know something's up.
But if you're out of power, I saw a couple power flashes.
the signs are going
No,
off.
Oh,
now
there's a
the
big
sirens
one.
are going
Do you
off.
see that? There's a.
Yeah,
Ooh.
yeah. There.
Oh
yeah.
crap!
Oh my goodness.
That's huge.
Oh my god!
They're getting it downstairs.
Yeah, I know.
That's
Dang!
Yeah.
Woo!
Those are the big flashes.
We can't. It's rain wrap. We can't see it, but it's probably about to go over Ovilla Road right now. If it ain't hitting you, I guarantee you could go out of the house and look right and see it. Do you see that? Do you see that?
Bring a video recorded.
I am right now.
Are you?
Yeah. I mean, whenever it was over there, I was.
Where's that light coming from?
See,
That's cool.
goodness. Yep, there it
Oh,
is.
there it is.
I just saw it.
Yeah, that's past Ovilla Road now.
Yeah, it is on the ground.
And then there's the.
It's been on the
the
ground.
tornado sirens are going too.
You think, where do you think it's
I think it's already past you. I think it went between you and us.
I hope it can't get y'all.
Yeah, I do too. It's on the other side of the water tower at the yard. It's probably going up Hampton Road.
Yeah, it's probably.
Here, okay, now I got Pete Duck just finally. Tornado warning has been issued for Dallas and counties.
I think it's going up to DeSoto.
Yeah.
It's going that direction.
What y'all see?
We saw it.
You saw what?
It's been popping power lines from all the way down there up to here.
All across
Really?
all across the horizon.
Yeah, I got it on video.
And then I saw the shape of it.
You're
A
kidding.
second ago with the lightning, no, watch right there past them lights. I don't know if it's still on the ground, but it's been on the ground from.
I didn't know you.
I did.
Reagan did.
Uh-uh.
Reagan did. She said, "They're tornado."
See that?
No,
That was,
It's right there.
There's a power flash. Boom. Again.
I see it, but I'm talking about the
You can't.
No, it's hard to
It's
rain
hard to
wrap.
see the actual tornado, but it's been popping, break dads out of power.
Yeah,
Is he really?
It's been popping all along.
For a minute.
I've only came to right here, but it's been popping. Whenever I got here, it was.
See that?
wow.
There it goes. You can see the fire moving in the tornado. I just saw it.
I just saw it.
Okay, well let me get my big.
Hey,
No, that ain't gonna work. Okay, I'm going to the other room.
Here, Mom. Mom.
Yep.
look over there through
Over
the
there.
trees. It should be that way. You'll see it again. I saw it swirling.
So that isn't tornadoes making the pop. I mean, that
Yeah.
isn't lightning making
No,
the pops.
that's
It's
a tornado. Make power, breaking all them. There's not as many lights on as there were a second ago.
Yeah, that's
Did you
what
just
I
notice that?
Yeah.
I mean, I noticed it whenever.
Are you on the phone with somebody?
Dad.
Oh, okay. Oh my gosh.
That-
Oh my gosh.
look,
Yeah, I see it. I see it. I see it. Okay.
That's not.
Okay, I'm gonna go see if I can see it better.
That's not lightning. Let's go drive for 10 seconds.
Let's go look at the damage after.
Boom. That's a big one.
I'm getting this on
So you
video.
think it moved through?
Oh yeah, you're good.
There's
Boom! We might not be
Holy!
good.
There's
There
a
it
fire!
is.
There's a fire!
There's a fire now.
Oh crap!
There's a fire! Yeah.
Hey, you're good. It's about to hit probably your church on Houston School. Oh, my goodness.
God.
Holy crap!
Oh my god.
It's like a firework over there.
Oh my god.
It's right there. Hey, you're good, Dad. You're in the clear. It's right there.
It's probably in
Look
Lancaster.
at that.
Oh my god.
It's probably in Lancaster right now. DeSoto.
That is wild.
I got this
Heck,
on
we could probably go
video.
outside right now and go get on that fence.
No, I ain't going outside.
I just hope it doesn't loop back around.
Boom!
Holy crap.
I got this on video. Is it good?
Hey, I'll call you back.
What, has it passed
Yo,
y'all?
it's in Dallas County, probably. Well, that's right. It's like going
It's
through
probably-
Red Oak. It's just north of Red Oak. So
Yeah, it's
you're
probably
good.
in the
Do you know
Lancaster.
that field probably?
I think
It's probably in
I
that
think you're
field.
good. It's probably. I think it's in that field right there past like the Walmart. I don't know if Walmart didn't get hit. It's on this side. It's like due even with 35.
Hey, that power just came back on.
We ain't got
Awesome.
no power either. That's all I know.
Yeah, it went. It's right there. I know that's what we were looking at. 100%. I know that's what we were looking at. Reagan, you got that?
I got it. I got it all from the start right there.
Oh, y'all see it? Well, no, we didn't see the tornado, but it was breaking a whole bunch of power lines going.
I'll call you back, Dad.
Yeah, I saw the power lines go off.
There's like a huge firework going across the horizon.
No, you're good. It's past.
Did y'all
It's in
see
Dallas
that?
County. Yeah.
Did y'all get it on video?
Yes, I got it on video. I swear.
Oh my gosh. Did you call Dad? He's on the phone with you right now. I don't
There it is.
know.
There it is.
Can you see it again?
Yeah, I did. To the right. It's right there by the water tower.
Oh no, everybody's gonna come in here.
I'll call you back.
Here, I'll show you the video. I got it on video.
Is he okay?
Yeah, power went out. I saw
still-
power.
it's like
The
over
power
there.
went out.
Let me see. Oh, really?
You can't see the tornado. It's just breaking power boxes and it's
Yeah,
making
you can't
huge
really see the tornado.
explosions.
And
it's
the
right
fire
there.
like
It's gonna,
went
it might
up.
hit down. Now it's head on.
We
Did
got.
you see the rotation?
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh my
Did
god.
you see that?
Yes.
Again.
Where?
Over there next to
Power
the
flashes.
next here.
We'll show you the video.
Look at the
We have power.
water tank thing. It should be right over there. And I'll show you the
That
video.
is insane.
What
I
water
wonder how
tower?
much damage.
See that
it
water
did
tower over there?
I want to go look
No.
out there.
It's like that big
didn't-
circle
Did they not say
cylinder.
there was one,
One
on the
right in front
ground?
of us. Look over to the side of it.
Huh? Did they not say there was one on the ground?
No, we didn't hear anything about it being on the
Here,
ground.
we can open the window.
I can't see nothing.
Dad said it sounded like a freight train. You probably missed him. But
Yeah,
a
but I
mile or
did.
two.
I got a video.
Really? Oh God! I thought the whole window's coming down. I'll fall out.
I'm not. I done it before.
That's not good to know.
I've fallen up.
No, she had fallen out before. She just.
I got this all on
Yeah, I
video.
couldn't see that.
Oh, it's over there. It's over there. I don't think y'all can. If y'all can.
It's right behind the water tower now.
No, it's like you see the road. It's like
It's right in front of the road.
yeah.
Wow. So we just barely. Okay, that's probably.
Yeah, I recorded the whole thing.
You were on the phone with your daddy. Did you get to record? Did you hear her holler?
Did you smell it? She's got a really. It made a fire. I saw the fire.
That's what she was screaming about. I'm like, oh my gosh, yeah. He's over in the room.
I think I don't think I can see anymore.
Okay, all right.
What do I see? What is in there?